Here we are at functions. So in this video we are going to looking for functions. So what is function? Function is, it helps to reduce our programs, our code. So how to define function? Let's start with that. Def, simply write def, the name of function. If you want to do sum, then simply write sum, and just in brackets choose a variable x, y, z, and put colon for the block. So inside the block just do one thing, s, yani as, that means again we choose one variable for addition of this three variable x plus x plus y plus z. Okay, and then print simply some, whatever you like, you can print and define that variable at the end. And to call this function, you think like we don't have any numbers in that, how we can do addition? Like, so call the function like this and put a number in this bracket, 2 10 2 plus 30 12. Okay, and simply run this program. It will give you the addition of these three numbers in the with help of function. It will reduce your program. You can do multiple operations like this. If you want to subtract this value, and subtract is equal to x minus y minus z, and again print because you are adding something new. So print subtract sub. Okay, you get two results in this, subtract and addition. So let's subtract 24, oh sorry, sum 24, subtract minus 4. Okay, so this is the first result. You can make this. You can also add something like this, like removing this tool, change the name, just adding prime. You can put whatever name you want. Okay, then I will result print x, y, and z simply, and so just type like this and some return some value like return comma, and you can indicate values too, like x is equal to 10, y is equal to 11, and z is equal to whatever alien program IIP. So and run this. You can have a value too. You can also indicate this value in like this manner. Just remove all things and both the result are valid in this. But if you indicate some, if you write longer code, then it's help you to understand what the manner you are going for. So again we are making some other function like def print info, and this I'm going to indicate name and name age. I will be using default, like default argument. This is default thing. So print name, name, print age, age. Okay, like I would call the function. Before this, just type return print info name, whatsoever name if you want. Like if you want name is equal to alien and age is its default value, so Run this, you will get name is equal to alien, age is equal to 20. And if you want like this, print info name equal to programmer. If you want to change the age, then 35, you will get the answer in this manner, like name is equal to programmer and age is equal to 35. So you can change your values, but if you don't put any age like a variable, so it will give you the default value. So you will understand this. So that's it from the basics of function, and stay tuned with us because I'm going to make the function argument after this video. So thank you guys.